Hello students, in this session we will discuss about circular linked list. Now listen, in circular linked list the basic thing, elements are organized in circular fashion. So based on the way of arranging the elements, a circular linked list can be classified into two types, like circular single linked list and circular double linked list. So at this stage we are familiar with single linked list concept, hence let us consider circular single linked list. Now compared to single linked list format, in circular single linked list the link part of the last node is filled with address of the starting node. Now observe the diagrammatic representation of a circular single linked list. Now listen, in single linked list point of view, link part of the last node is filled with null pointer, whereas in case of circular single linked list, the link part of the last node is filled with address of the starting node. Hence there is a link from end node to starting node of the list. Now such a representation is known as circular single linked list. Okay. Now observe the algorithm procedure. So when we compare with single linked list creation, in circular single linked list we add only one extra statement like link of new equivalent to start. Apart from this, the entire procedure is as similar to single linked list creation part. Now observe this format. Repeat while true, read an element as x. If x equivalent to minus 999, then return else. First we allocate memory for a new node. Allocate memory for a new node. Data of new equivalent to x, link of new equivalent to null. If start equivalent to null, then start equivalent to end equivalent to new. Otherwise, else, link of end is filled with new. Now end is shifted to new node. And if. Now we establish circular fashion as link of new equivalent to start, and if, and repeat. Okay, so this one creation process. Now how to display elements of a circular single linked list? Here, if start equivalent to null, that means elements are not available, hence we print a message as circular single linked list empty. Otherwise, first we set a temporary variable that points to start node, like temp equivalent to start. It's a repetition process. Repeat while link of temp not equivalent to start. Write data part of temp. Now temp is shifted to next node as temp equivalent to link of temp. The repetition process completed, and repeat. Now the last node information is to be printed right like write data of temp, and if. Now we return from the function. So in such a way it is possible to traverse circular single linked list. Now the next concept, available space list. Listen, the collection of free nodes present in the memory is called list of available space or avail list or free pooler. So here it contains unused memory cells, so that these memory cells are possible to use in future. Now observe students, let's one a single linked list. So here, whenever we apply any deletion process, so at the time of deletion process, without clearing the memory, the deleted node is placed in Avail list. So here we maintain an Avail list. Now, in linked list, whenever insertion of a node arises, at this stage we take nodes from Avail list. So this one advantage of Avail list concept. Okay. Thank you one and all.